What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you all are feeling good, feeling great. Hopefully you're having a super fantastic start of your day, middle of your day, end of your day. Whenever you're watching this video, hopefully you're feeling super fantastic and everything around you is going well, going great. And if not, hopefully my words today can bring you some insight, bring you some encouragement, bring you some positivity so you can, shake off the rough day or the rough week or the rough month that you have, and you can start fresh tomorrow or the next week or whichever, all right? Hopefully that's my plan for every single video, is to, change somebody's outlook, is to change somebody's, views, perspectives, and to really get somebody going, man, so they can do the things that they need to do so they can get the life that they deserve, man, because a lot of you are living average lives, and you don't need to be living average lives. That's not why God put you here. That's not why you're here on this earth. You're not here to be hanging around average people. You're not here to be in the average life. You deserve everything. You deserve all the funds, all right? Even though money ain't everything, but you deserve all the funds. You deserve a bigger house. You deserve a better life for you and your family, you and your loved ones. You deserve that. But for you to get that, you have to focus, and that's what I want to talk about. I've talked about in the previous video how you have to focus on the future, and you don't want to focus too much on the past unless you're looking back to see how far you have come. But I want to reiterate on that because it's very, very important that we focus on the now as well. Because if we don't focus on what we need to do right now, no matter how many dreams or goals we have in the future, no matter how much we believe that we can achieve those things, if we don't focus on the now, we'll never get to the things that we deserve in the future, because we have to do the things now to get to the things that we want in the future. You dig what I'm saying? So have your things in the future. Have your goals right there. Have your dreams right there. Have your aspirations, all the things that you want to do, all the things that you want to achieve. Have those things in the future. But understand that you have to do the things that you have to do right now. Right? Some of you need to get on top of the healing process. You've been dealing with something that you haven't yet healed from yet. And that's the thing that's holding you back. You think it's that certain situation. You think it's that person. It's actually you. You have not chosen to heal from that process yet. You're still pissed off about something that happened 5 years ago. Why? You're still upset with a person that you ain't seen in ages. Why? Those people are out there living their life. Why can't you live your best life? You have to focus on the things that you have to do right now. Yes, it may hurt. Yes, it may be uncomfortable, but you have to do it. You have to go down that road. You have to revisit those things so you can heal from them. You have to do those things that you don't want to do so you can get to the life that you've always wanted. I'm speaking $1 million into your life. I'm speaking $1 billion into your life. I'm speaking wealthy, healthy. I'm speaking all good things into your life. Those things are not unattainable. You can do it. You can achieve it. I believe in you. But we have to focus on what we are doing right now. We have to focus on what we need to do right now. Because let me tell you this, tomorrow is not promised and yesterday's already gone. What's the only thing that's guaranteed to us right now? Today, right here, right now. So that's where the majority of our focus should be. And then you wake up tomorrow and you do it all over again. You keep working hard. You keep going after it until you get the things that you deserve in life. I'm going to say it once again. You do not deserve an average life. You do not deserve to be around average people. You do not deserve to have an average paycheck. You do not deserve to have an average business. You do not deserve to be average, because you're not average. You have all the potential in the world to be as great as the next person. But the only way that you achieve that greatness, the only way that you get towards your goals and your dreams, you focus on right now, so you can make sure that you're doing everything that you need to do, everything that you possibly can, so that you can ensure that you reach everything that you set out for yourself. All right, once again, I want y'all to have a super fantastic day today. I want y'all to get after it. I want y'all to focus on today. All right, leave that in the comment section. Wherever you're seeing this video, whether it's on YouTube, Facebook, wherever, leave a comment under this video. And I want you to type in all caps, focus on today. And y'all go ahead and y'all be great, man. Let's go.